Okay, so that volcanic crater was pretty awesome, but it was hell after that. Jesus, we've just been pedaling in the pouring rain for like the last 2 hours through Warrnambool. It's Warrnambool. Anyway, it was like proper like freeway with like traffic lights every couple of 100 meters. It was absolute chaos. So anyway, we're out the other side, and my GPS is telling me that our next right turn is onto the Great Ocean Road. So yeah, like, plus the rain stopped. Let's go. Okay, our entrance to the Great Ocean Road wasn't as beautiful as we expected. Instead, we were greeted with a massive cheese factory that absolutely reeked. However, we did get to go to Cheese World, where Bonnie got a picture taken with some big milkshakes. Anyway, we decided we'd get off that road and take the quiet lanes for a little bit, because there was like no shoulder and it's absolutely like, I don't know, the traffic's just crazy. So we're about to go back on it again. I'll see if I can film a little bit. It's just been impossible to film today. It keeps raining and it's loud and the road surface is really bad, so I don't really want to be like using one hand to do stuff. All right, we'll see how we go. Okay, so the road's not been too busy. I think it's because it's sort of late in the day on a Sunday. Everyone's probably going home and having their Sunday dinner, getting ready for work tomorrow. But pretty soon we'll be coming up to Peterborough, and I reckon that's when we're actually going to start seeing this ocean that they speak of on the Great Ocean Road. Because so far all we've seen is factories and fields. We just had our first glimpse of the ocean and our first landmark on the Great Ocean Road, which is the Bay of Islands. Unfortunately, we can't really stop because it's raining and it's windy and it's cold. We want to get to bed, but I'm gonna try and get some more footage in between the bushes and stuff if possible, and hopefully the weather's a bit better in the coming days and we can actually stop and see some stuff.